snow. J is for jacket, cozy to go. Sing with us this winter song. Snowflakes falling all around, covering trees and frozen ground. Winter is here, come sing with me. From A to Z, it's fun you'll see. K is for knitted scarf, warm and snug. L is for lantern, shining with love. M is for mittens, soft and blue. N is for North Pole, sky so true. O is for ornament, sparkling bright. Sing with us and feel the light. E is for penguins, waddling right. Q is for quilt, cozy at night. R is for reindeer, taking flight. S is for snowflakes, falling down light. T is for toboggan, sliding fast. Winter fun is here at last. Snowflakes falling all around, covering trees and frozen ground. Winter is here, come sing with me. From A to Z, it's fun you'll see. U is for unwrap, gifts of fun. V is for vacation, for everyone. W is for winter, icy and cool. X is for Christmas, a festive rule. Y is for Yeti, snowy delight. Z is for zip-up jacket, snug and tight. Snowflakes falling all around, covering trees and frozen ground. Winter is here, come sing with me. From A to Z, it's fun you'll see.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.